Today, let me guide you on how to register yourself on our TaxBlock portal and how to file your taxes through our DIY process. First, visit www.taxblock.in. On the home page towards the right, click on the option Sign Up. Now enter your email ID and click on Next to continue. Enter your password and confirm your password. Enter your 10-digit PAN number. Now enter your 10-digit mobile number. Click on Sign Up to continue. Click on the option File IT here under Do It Yourself and continue with Upload Form 16. Browse your Form 16 and enter the password if any. Click on Next to continue or continue without Form 16. Enter your personal information, that is your first name, your last name, your father's name, your gender, and your date of birth. Enter a 12-digit Aadhaar number. Enter all the details as per your income tax, and here only we are entering the mandatory details. Click on Save to save the data and Next to continue. Enter your house property details, that is your PIN code, your flat number, your name of building, road and street, area or locality, town, state, country. Click on Save and continue for Next. Here you have to enter the employer details, that is the name of your employer, the type, is it public or private or other. Enter the TAN number and enter the TDS amount, if any deducted. You can click here to upload the Form 16 to pre-fill the data. Enter your salary as per the Form 16. Enter exempt allowances under Section 10 if any and enter the amount. Save salary and click on Next to continue. Enter your house property details if any, self-occupied, let out or deemed to let out. Click on Other Income. Select Other Income type if any. Click on Exempt Income type if any. Click on Save to continue. Next. You can also click on Deduction to get into the deduction page. Enter your deductions under ATC. Click on the investment type and enter the amount. Click on Save to continue and Next to move forward. Enter your deductions under ATCCD1B and ATCCD2. Here you have to enter your medical insurance for yourself, for parents and any other. Click on Next to continue. Enter any other deductions if available. Click on Next to continue. Here you can enter your Form 26AS and get the pre-filled data, or you can add and enter manually. Enter your TAN details, the name of the deductor, the TDS amount and the amount claimed. Click on the income type. Click on Save and continue for Next. Enter self-assessment tax if paid any or advance tax. Click on Next to continue. Enter your primary bank account details to mention in your income tax return, that is your account number, your IFSC code, your bank name, and your account type. Click on as primary and save it. Click on next to proceed. Enter your residential status and any other if applicable. Click on e-filing to view your income summary. Here you get the computation of your income through old regime and new regime. Select the one which is best suitable for you. Select PDF export to export the data into a PDF format. Choose the regime, old or new, and proceed with tax filing. Here there are options to download your ITR copy, save the tax filing draft, or want to opt for assisted services. In assisted services, you get a dedicated tax advisor who can help you file your taxes easier, simple, fast, and with zero errors. Thank you. Do choose TaxBlock again.